Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. Today, I want us to uh, talk about what we call Infinix Buds Lite. So these were like deprecated from Buds Not Lite, Infinix Buds. So now we received what we call Infinix Buds Lite. So I want us to go ahead and we do unboxing for this, and we do also some review. We talk about it. We see whether it can work for us below $20. Let's go ahead. Guys, as I said, let's go ahead with unboxing. After that, we proceed for a review of these buds, right? So as I told you, these are called Buds Lite, made by Infinix company. I don't know whether you are familiar with this company. It both makes accessories and also phones as well. So let's go ahead and we proceed with unboxing. After that, we shall do a review. We see how these buds connect, works in phones also. So guys, these are the buds. This is empty. As you can see, these are the buds. They were designed with this one here, with a name here. Yeah, as you can see, guys, these are the buds, and it comes with a Type-C, USB, and then user guide menu. Then here we don't have anything. Let's remove this one. They put this one away. Yeah, so let's remove also the user guide menu. Then this is the Type-C, USB. It supports Type-C, as you can see from here. It comes with this design. These ones, they come in two colors, which is Infinix black and the Infinix white. Yeah, this is white. As you can see, if you're interested in purchasing white, you can go ahead for this white. If you're interested black, you can go for this. Yeah, for them, they are designed with this type without noise cancellation. You can see, as you can see, somehow they were not given noise cancellation, but they were designed like AirPods Pro. The newer Jazz, is it third generation without the rubber here? Most people, they say rubber inches them, so they don't like rubber most of the times. As you can see, they are not much taller. As you can see, they are somehow shorter, most probably like 1 inch. As you can see, it's not short, it's not longer. If you compare with on your hand, you see it is shorter. Then these ones, they come with a touch here. As you can see, this is the touch. You can use it when you scroll down, that is volume. When you scroll up, that is up, that is volume up. Then once you tap once, that is play and pause. Or if you want to, you put a previous song, that's how you do. You can press for 2 seconds if you want to make a change. Then to go ahead, this earbuds comes with a battery inside of 35 million amperes. Also this one 35 million amperes. Then the case itself, this is the case. It comes with a battery of 300 million amperes. Yeah, I don't know whether you understand if I say 300, like your phone, how it comes with a 5000, so this one comes with 300 million amperes. Then with with this one, with only this one, it can, the play time is up to 25 hours. If you use this one, the battery gets done, then you put them back, you charge, it goes for that time, which is 25 hours. Then the charging of this case, the charging time, it can take it 1.5 hours. That is roughly 2 hours to charge this case to get full. Then if you are sorry about that. These ones are the ones that charge 1.5 hours to get full, but for these ones, for them, it takes 2.5 hours. Meaning, if you do like this, you put them here, it takes them only 1.5 hours to get full. Then when you are charging this one, it takes 2.5 hours to get full, guys. And then let's go ahead. Then their Bluetooth is normal like other Bluetooth type. It's the range is 10 meters, as you know that most of Bluetooth, it goes for 10 meters, which is 35 feet. Then the version of the Bluetooth, if you want to consider that, the version is 5.3, guys. Yeah. Then the charging, I've already talked about the charging. That is a type C charging, guys. So let's go ahead and we test them. This is the charging protection. It comes with them. You have to remove it, guys, before you use it. You have to remove it before you use them. Without removing them, as you can see, once you remove it, they start charging. Then it has here LED lights that shows you when the battery is full or when the battery is not full. Same applies to this brand. Once you remove it, you see this one has 3 lights, meaning the battery is not full charged. But when it is full charged, that's what happens. That's what it shows. So this is the Infinix brand. It has also gone into making the accessories. You can go ahead and try this out if you want something that is below $50. Actually, this is below $20. This is the budget that is below $20, guys. Yeah.